Hello everybody, it's your boy Curtis here today with a brand new video. And do you want to learn how to buy the most authentic, genuine football shirts in 2023, such as this one or this one? Ooh, very nice. Then make sure you stick around until the end of the video. But first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more original content coming out weekly. My account is literally 3 days old, 3 days. So I appreciate any and all support that you can give. It goes a long way for small accounts like me. But that's enough waffling on. Let's get to the main meat and gravy of the video. Why we're all here, how to buy these football shirts. So let's dive in. Now, our first website is known as Kitgg3, and this Donny is known for being one of the absolute best for buying these football shirts on. And as you can see here on my screen, it's a pretty straightforward site to navigate. You've got your search bar over here, you've got your categories over here, and you've also got other sports too, like NBA, F1, rugby and the NFL. So as not to be taken down, this website you can't actually search for a team's name, so we'll search for the best team in the world currently, Chelsea. And as you can see, nothing will be found. However, if we type in the initials of the club, CFC, as you can see, we get a wide range of items. So for Chelsea, you type in CFC, and for a team like Man United, you type MUFC. And then when it comes to Tottenham, well, you type in because as we all know, that's what Tottenham are. But anyway, back to the video. So as you can see, they've got shirts from 2012, from that night in Munich. They've got shirts what date back to the days of Solar and Vialli. And they've also got a wide range of training gear and tracksuits too, which is perfect for any occasion. Very nice. And when it comes to the pricing too, as you can see, it's second to none, with items being just over £10 on most occasions, what would retail for about 80 to 90 here. But we must ask, how does the competition fare in this field? So let's take a look at our second site, jjsport 24. Now, much like Kitgg3, jjsport is very easy to navigate, with tabs for leagues such as La Liga, Serie A or Ligue 1. It's an easygoing and a very easy to understand process for how to find the shirt that you want. But we must ask ourselves, how does the pricing compare between the two? Now, if we were to search for Chelsea, like we did on Kitgg3, we are again met with a plethora of different search results, some even coming in cheaper than that of our first website. However, both do also still offer the same authentic feel despite being a replica shirt. Now, if we were to compare this authentic Chelsea jersey to this replica Kylian Mbappe PSG jersey, one noticeable difference I can already feel is that the replica jersey is slightly thinner. Whereas on the authentic jersey, we have a bit of a thicker material. On this replica, it appears to be a bit thinner. Also, when looking on the naming of the back of both, it must be said that replica jerseys are well known for their naming being quite shiny, whereas on the original it's quite dull. But it must be said, with everything that's going on in the world at the minute, what with recessions going on every week, I cannot judge anyone at all for buying these replica shirts. And lastly, on to the delivery time. So usually shirts I've ordered have taken 1 to 4 days to prepare or ship, and then they've taken 7 to 10 days to arrive. However, it must be said, I'm located in England, in the UK, so I can't speak for everywhere else in the world. So what's standard for me might not be standard for you, and vice versa. It varies depending on location. But yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to go over for today's video. But yeah, if you want me to go more in depth and review any other shirts that I have, then feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to buy shirts from these websites too to review for future videos. Just let me know and I'll buy it. But yeah, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to subscribe down below. But yeah, that's everything. Good health, good day. I hope everything goes well for you, and peace.
Juice like a snow cone, ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash overseas by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go. Senoritas going loco, make it bounce like a pogo. All my haters see rojo, they big mad cause they coming up short like Frodo. Activate the beast mode, I keep it hot, give your brain a heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic B-roll. The world is mine like my name's Pacino.